A very good morning to everyone. How are you all, children? Well, today we're going to start with the first lesson in our book, Marigold. And the name of the lesson, as you all are aware, is Wonderful Waste. We're going to do a little explanation of the lesson, and we're also going to learn and read about the summary of the chapter through a graphic organizer. And in the end, children, we will try to understand about certain facts that you need to remember and the things that you need to learn, right? So let's get started. Now, children, this lesson, Wonderful Waste, is basically to make us aware through a story how waste can be wonderful. In other words, if you think out of the box, if you think of many uses of a product without throwing it away, you can really create wonders. And this lesson is about how Avial was accidentally made. Right? Now, the story, children, is about the Maharaja of Travancore, which is in South India. Okay? One day, the Maharaja had organized a feast at his palace. And naturally, as many guests were invited, he had asked the cook to prepare a grand dinner. And then, before the party began, he went into the kitchen to survey the dishes. There's an important word in the lesson, survey. Survey means, children, to examine, to check, to see. So the king went inside the kitchen to see the dishes that the cook had prepared. And naturally, the cook had done a good job, but in the corner of the kitchen, there were a lot of vegetable peels. Vegetable scraps are leftover vegetables, right? And when he saw that, the king was inquisitive and he asked this cook, "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? I don't think you're going to waste them." Okay, so he orders the cook, "Come on, you're going to find a way to use those vegetable scraps. Do not waste them." Now, the cook was in a fix. He said, "What am I going to do?" Now, again, another phrase in your chapter, children, is to be in a fix. To be in a fix means to be in a tight situation, not knowing what to do. So the cook said, "Maharaj, we are going to throw the waste away." But the Maharaja said, "No, you'll have to find a way to use the waste. You can't just throw it away." The cook kept thinking and thinking, and then suddenly an idea flashed in his mind. Lo and behold, that's the phrase that's given in your book. Lo and behold means a sudden idea. What was the idea? He said, "Let me take the vegetable peels and cook them." So he took the vegetable peels, he washed them, cut them into long strips, and added the following ingredients into it. Just like that. There was no recipe book he followed or anything. Whatever came to his mind, he kept on adding. So he added fresh coconut and green chilies and then garlic, and along with that he added some curd, some coconut oil and some curry leaves. One by one, he kept stirring them, and there was a lovely aroma which came out from the dish. And very soon, a new dish was ready. Okay, so here you can see, children, these are the various ingredients that the cook put into this new dish that he was making. Okay, there are about green chili, coconut, garlic, etc., including the vegetable scraps that he had. Now what happened? Well, when they saw this lovely smell, all the guests that had come, they were really very, very pleased, and they said, "This new dish is delicious. What is the name of this dish?" Well, the cook didn't think. He was in a fix. He said, "Oh God, I haven't thought about a name." So he said, "Okay, fine. Let's call this dish Avial." And that is from where, children, a very, very popular dish of Kerala. That was from where this dish was born. And now it is very popular not only in South but all over India. So that was the story for you in a nutshell. Now we're going to learn or go through this story through a graphic organizer, which is going to help you recollect all the important little facts in the story. Well, you see, as I had told you, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a feast, and so he went to survey the dishes and noticed the vegetable scraps. What did he do then? He ordered the cook to find a way to use the bits and pieces of vegetables together. And naturally, when the cook heard this, he was in a fix. When suddenly he got an idea. He cut the vegetables, put it in a pot, and then added these ingredients: green chili, coconut, garlic, coconut oil, and decorated the dish with curry leaves. The new dish not only smelled good but was also delicious. And when the guests asked the cook that, please tell us the name of this wonderful dish, he thought for a while and then he said that the name of the dish was avial. Okay? Right. Now, children, when you read this lesson, after you've read this lesson, there are certain facts you need to remember. Please understand, one very important fact which you need to remember is the sequence in which the cook added the ingredients. So firstly, what did the cook do? He washed, cleaned and cut the vegetable strips, put them into a pot, placed them onto a fire. Then he added fresh coconut, green chili, garlic, salt, curd, coconut oil, curry leaves, etc. Another thing you need to remember is that avial was first made using vegetable scraps. Okay, the leftover vegetable bits. Children, another thing, there are few things in the lesson that you need to understand. What is it? That waste can also be useful if you use it the right way. Another thing the story teaches us is that we should always try to recycle waste, okay, in whatever way possible. And this lesson also takes us into the history and the origin of the famous dish of Kerala, which is called avial. So this, in a nutshell, was the chapter Wonderful Waste for you. I'm sure that you've understood it really well and that you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much, children. Bye-bye. See you next time.